Formula para makuha natin ang area ng rectangle ay A is equals to length times width. So example, ang length natin ay 6 cm, then ang ating width ay 4 cm. So para makuha natin yung area ng rectangle, we need to multiply length times width. So we have area of rectangle is equals to 6 cm times 4 cm. So 6 cm times 4 cm, that is 24 cm squared. So ito na yung final answer natin. Ito yung area ng rectangle. Another example naman ay yung ating length, that is 3 cm. Then yung ating width naman ay 6 cm. Para makuha natin yung area ng rectangle, we need to multiply these two. So we have 3 cm times 6 cm. So that is 18 cm squared. So ito na yung ating final answer. So ang ating length, for example, ay 5.4 meters. Then yung ating width ay 3.2 meters. So ganun lang ulit, no? Multiply natin yung dalawa. So we have 5.4 meters times 3.2 meter. No? Then ang ating final answer ay 17.28 meter squared. So ito na yung ating final answer.